ones presented to us by our esteemed sponsors and partners. And hello to you guys and to everyone who's coming here tonight. Welcome to our VIP product launch of Easy Brand Signature. Once again, everyone, we have our president for Top Chefs Food Supplies Incorporated, Mr. Mark Wang. Palakpakan naman po natin, ladies and gentlemen. One and only, our idol from Visayas and Mindanao, the ever-dashing Mr. Biking! Together with one of the sexiest women alive, here is Miss Christine Sampson! Our Cocina Master, Chef Boy Logro, everyone! Round of applause, please.
Good evening to everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta. Nako, ito, guys.
Hi, Chef Boy. Good to see you.
Yeah, excited ako dahil ang dami talaga.
Chef Boy, now we're free. Oh, what a joy. Just come on down to the fifth floor. Find a spot out on the floor.
Proud sa produktong gawa